Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Oh my god, I haven't said that in forever. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Ruth. If you're returning, thank you so much for your support and being so patient with me. I know I haven't posted in a while and I did not see anything. I literally ghosted you guys, but I'm gonna explain a little bit later. Right now I'm in a hurry. Today's a Friday. Welcome to a brand new vlog. I am gonna be vlogging this weekend. Today's actually a Thursday, not Friday, sorry. Today's a Thursday. I'm about to step out with my cousin. We are going to Upper Junction. I need to go to Toys R Us. I need to get a gift for my little baby. I have another baby that I never even said anything to you guys about. But yeah, it's her birthday today. We're gonna celebrate her birthday on Saturday. So I'm gonna look for a gift today because I will be having clients tomorrow. So I don't think I'm gonna get the chance to do that. So before I actually go to Upper Junction, I also need to get like a face wash because I ran out and my hair's been dirty. I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna do my hair and then I'm gonna plait my hair today because I have the chance today. But before we do all that, we're gonna pass by Adrese's workplace to drop her some shoes. I don't or something like that. So I'm gonna do that. I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. It's like 11 right now. I don't even think I'm gonna make it on time. I'm just gonna have to tell her 3. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's go on with this vlog. I'll explain. We'll catch up, you know, later on in this vlog. Right now I do not have the time, like I said. So let's go. I'll show you guys my outfit when I get to the mall or something. So bye. I miss you guys so much.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Turn a blow breeze from the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out. Easy.
So we managed at Upper Junction. We got everything we wanted. I got my face wash. I'm so happy. And then I managed to get the gift. It's actually at the back. I already wrapped it, but I did show you guys what it is. I think she's gonna love it. I'm so excited to see her reaction. So yeah, my cousin and I are in Brooklyn. She's here for a fitting. So she's part of the
Africa's Next Supermodel.
Africa's Next Supermodel. So she needs like a black dress. So we're here, she's fitting one. And then yeah, I hope it fits her so that we don't run around looking for a dress. So she's gonna go for a photo shoot on Saturday, but obviously I won't be with her because I have plans. So yeah, appointment time the lady sent a message asking that maybe please do my hair tomorrow, of which I don't know if I'll manage, but I'll honestly make a plan. I'm gonna do my hair today either way, so that so if I get a chance I can go do my hair, because I really need to plait my hair. It's like it's been new hair, this is glow one, so I need that in my life right now. So yeah, I just thought let me update you. We got, remember the last time we went to Toys R Us, we got them again today. What's the schedule? Yeah, I like it. I love it actually. What about the packet that's on the ceiling? Yeah, I really like them. So yeah, we are gonna go in. I don't know if the lady will allow me to vlog. I hope she does, so that I can show you guys her beautiful dresses. She's still with the client, so we're waiting in the car. Anyway, I just thought let me update you guys. Bye. The lighting is so bad, but yeah, that's my cousin.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of.
Hey guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. I managed to do my hair. I'm sure you guys can see that by now. Today is a Saturday and I just finished getting ready. I'm kind of running late, I need to go, but I thought let me say hi for today, update you guys on where we're going and stuff. So I've taken the kids out to Lion Park. My partner's actually waiting for me. He's gonna be so mad when he watches this vlog while he's waiting for me. But yeah, I wanted to do a quick unboxing. Wanted to do a quick unboxing. I got a little something. I'm so excited because I haven't opened it yet. I was waiting to shoot, so Gucci gang. Guys, I got a new perfume. I don't know how it smells like. Okay, in a minute. I don't know how it smells like. That was really calling me. So yeah, I am so excited. I obviously didn't buy this myself. I've been having it for like a week, but I can't video anything. So yeah, I'm unboxing. This is it. I'm sure I'm gonna love it. I wanted to wear it today. So it's the Gucci Guilty Love Edition. It's the Audi perfume. Yeah, that's what the box looks like. It's a 50 ml. So yeah, I'm sure you guys can see that by now. This is what the packaging looks like. It's pink, it's cute, it's me. I wanted to wear it today, even though I don't know what it smells like. Oh, there we go. So yeah, so I didn't even check the reviews because I wanted to smell it myself. Ooh, I love it. Ooh, yes. Wow. Hello, man. Please, out to the yeah. Thank you. Guys, it smells so good. Aww. Wow. Guys, shame. Anyway, I have to go. I have a hat that I'm gonna wear because it's quite sunny. It's quite sunny. I'll show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing a bikini bra, but I don't think I'm gonna swim. But we'll see, you know, never say never. I don't know if I'm gonna swim, but the kids are definitely gonna swim. So yeah, I'll show you guys. And they match my outfit perfectly. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, child. Oh, I wanted to wear these white ones, like go Eve bow. But I don't know if it's gonna be able to. I don't know if somebody's gonna be able to fix it, but I hope so, because I really like them, guys. I literally wore them like once or twice. The homo I don't even know how. I have to make a plan B, but this would have been so perfect with my outfit. Let's go. I'll make a plan. I smell good.
You smell nice.
I smell nice. Thank you. Are you excited? Yeah.
I'm not excited for the lions.
You're not excited for the lions? You don't like lions? Outside. Outside it lion. Yeah. I think so. Are you really scared? I thought you'd be excited. If you guys want to, you don't want to get on the train before the pool. Okay, let's go to the train then. So we're gonna go on the roller coaster. Unfortunately, I can't take a video because I can't risk my phone falling from up there. I really wish I could vlog. I just show some people, but I'm on it anyway. So yeah. Are you nervous? No? Okay. Irresponsible parents. So yeah, wish us luck.
Inside the train.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. Don't you understand?
I am so exhausted, but we're going to see the lions now. I think it's like past 4, so we're actually here. I was just crossing the bridge. I'll show you guys. So let's go see. Here they are.
Turn me inside out, make my heart heartbeat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you.
Good morning. So today is a Sunday morning. I am going to church. I'm just waiting for my partner to pick me up. So I just thought, let me take this time to update you guys. Well, not really update, but just to kind of have a little chat. So we had so much fun, Marvan. We had so much fun, but the roller coaster was so scary. It was so scary. It wasn't my first time on it, but for some weird reason, this time around was too scary. It was too fast. Guys, I tried to record, like I know I said, like in the previous clip that I said I wasn't going to record, but really, I'm like, I have my phone in my hand, why not? Of course, our faces weren't showing because I wasn't going to do that, but I was screaming. I was screaming. I don't think I'll ever go on that ride again. I'm sorry. I keep gonna get guns, but honestly, the past 2 times I think I've been on it, it wasn't this fast, it wasn't this tricky. Like I literally think I'm gonna get a bruise on my left side, like next to my keloid here. Cause I remember patting down cutting and like, hey, yo. Hey, never again, never again. But yeah, we had so much fun, and I think it made me realize that I'm actually living in one of my in one of my dreams. Like literally, this is my reality. I'm such a family girl. Like literally, if you ask me where I see myself in the next 5 years, you know, just life, hella, I will tell you what I see myself with my husband and my kids. You know, Saturdays we have some family day. Sunday we're by the pool at home having a brunch, maybe with a few friends over, or just us, kind of family nyana. Like, you know, I'm such a family girl. Like I'm so big on family. The streets are not for me at all. So yeah, this is such a it was like a wow moment, you know. It's what I've dreamed of, and it's very rare to find my partner in Gaborone during weekends. Like weekends are, he's always at work on weekends basically, so it's rare to find him in Gaborone on a weekend. So I'm really grateful for this weekend, just the time that she spent together with our kids. Like it's really nice. I enjoyed myself. I had so much fun. And the kids loved it so much. They loved it. Yeah, I think they went on most of the rides. Didn't want to hope they are too big for them, but it's okay. It's okay. We had some burgers and fries. The food is actually not expensive. It's not. I thought it was gonna be like any other restaurant, but it's actually not. They have the burger that's like 40 or 45. But then some King's meals, burgers, what do hot dog for like 25, I think, with fries, which is really cheap if you ask me. So yeah, we really had fun, and I'm honestly looking forward to like more days like this with my family. So yeah, today is a Sunday. Like I said, I'm going to church. I just need to do my edges real quick. Yeah, kind of gonna lay, I don't know if it's like a beauty spot or what, but yeah. I can't stop looking at it. But yeah, I just thought let me update you guys, and then let's go to church. Oh, after church, Riley's gonna open this week. She's going back to school for term 3. So as per usual, we need to get stationery, we need to get I get to the stationery again, but she always loses stuff. So we need to get stationery, we need to get mobile, we need to get just some things that she's gonna need for school basically, maybe for the next couple of weeks. So yeah, such a hectic time. And I don't have that child. I cannot don't have kids. But yeah, let's go. I don't want to be late. I'm wearing this blouse that I got from church, like the women's conference. We had a pop-up store. I don't know if you guys watched that vlog, but yeah, I'm wearing this blouse or shirt, yeah, whatever you want to call it, like a silky material or satin ish. Yeah, I got that. Okay, I'm wearing that. Why am I saying I got that? I'm wearing that with a green skirt. I hope it makes sense. I'm gonna wear my heels Let me actually do that now and go. I need to get flops because we're gonna be walking like around the mall after church. I can't do it in heels, child. I can't. Let's go. I'm a YouTuber. So I vlog. Yeah, I'm a YouTube. Yeah. Hey guys, today we're starting the vlog in the car. We are actually by Game City. We're gonna take Riley to the salon. So my bag. I had a client, so I'm gonna look for the bag today, school bag, and then the rest of my bago. Come on, yeah, and then we're gonna take her to the salon to do her hair. I think we'll be done with school preps. Today is Monday, if you haven't figured that out already. So yeah, can I let's up? We managed with everything today. We're gonna get in Bullen Bush for some ribs. So yeah, I was updating my vlog with you. So we're gonna get some ribs today. Hey guys, I wanted to wrap up this vlog so that I can close it today, start editing it so that I can upload it. I think I want to upload tomorrow, so if I can, I'm gonna spend the whole day today editing. It's quite gloomy, so yeah, my cousin and I are just gonna go out now, but I doubt I'm gonna vlog that. Okay, maybe I'll start a new vlog. So yeah, we're gonna go out, but yeah, I wanted to just wrap up this vlog. So we went to Lion Park. I couldn't swim because you know it was that time of the month for me, and I really don't like tampons, guys. Like I really don't. I don't know, I don't trust them. Especially for the swimming pool, I don't know how I feel about that. But yeah, I didn't swim. That's why I didn't swim. I wanted to get on the water so bad, especially when the waves were coming, like on Lion Park. That's my favorite part actually. And then I went down on that, I don't know what you call it, but I'm sure you guys saw your target dollar from that thing. I don't know what you call it, but yeah, I did that. It was, at first it was scary, but as I went down, I'm like, ah, okay. It wasn't that exciting, honestly. I thought I was gonna be like super excited. I wasn't. It was just okay. Like, sure, it's another thing to do. So yeah, we went to see the lions. Kids were so happy. I realized that I forgot to fill you guys in earlier on in the vlog. That's why I'm doing it now. And then my partner and I took Riley to the salon, her school stuff. We did all that. We managed to enter school. Cool. Everything is good. Everything. She's happy. I'm happy with the hairstyle. So she was doing her hair. Go block 5. There's a salon in block 5. It's quite expensive though, but yeah, they do her hair really nice. What else did I want to touch on? I think that's about it. We went out. My partner left. I'm all alone now. It's sad. Yeah, I miss him so much, guys. We see a long distance relationship is not easy at all. But yeah, I'm grateful for the time that we had to spend together. And like I said, like it's literally me living in my dream. Like I've always wanted to, you know, have a family, you know, be close like that, spend days together, weekends, you know, with the kids swimming, Sunday we go, you know, braai or whatever. Like it's nice. It's what I want. It's what I desire for my life. So yeah, I also wanted to talk about like why I wasn't on YouTube for like a month. I honestly didn't plan on taking a break, but honestly, I felt just so overwhelmed. You know, it can be, I have episodes, you know, some days I'm good, I'm okay. Some days I think so much about how, I think this year is my 5th year since I've graduated, and I have not put my degree to use. And obviously, that's not an easy thing to deal with. It's not an easy thing at all, you know, considering just okay, something as simple as the money I could be getting if I was working, you know, a very good job, that is, you know, where I would be in life, where I wanted to be in life right now. You know, obviously I wanted to be, you know, living on my own and stuff like that. And I constantly get like questions, especially like around my circle, you know, when are you gonna move out from home? Like, because you know me like that, you know, I cannot afford to live on my own, you know, especially if I'm gonna take Riley with. I cannot afford rent, bills or utilities. I cannot afford grocery on my own. I just can't afford that life, you know. So, you know, getting such questions, especially from people who, like I'm saying, who know, one, if you don't know me, it's okay, it's cool. Like I can mize it, it's okay. But if you're somebody who knows me and you constantly have to ask me things like, especially things that have to do with finances, you know, knowing where I am in life, not working, trying to make ends meet, you know, having a child to do that all on my own. Of course I have a partner, I have parents who are supportive, but you know, the bulk of that weight is on me, and I wish I could do more, but I can't, you know. So that, I think that overwhelming feeling just came into me. And then, you know, people constantly asking you, are you really applying for a job? You know, how bad do you want a job? Like, do you seriously think I'd be stressing about unemployment if I wasn't applying for a job? Like, do you seriously think I would be doing that? You know, so I think, and like I'm saying, it's really from people that know me. So that kind of hurt my feelings, like to the core, like to the damn core. And yeah, I just had so much anxiety, and I felt like I didn't have much to give. I didn't have anything to give, rather. So YouTube was gonna be like another burden, if I put it that way, you know, on my shoulders. So I just took some time off just to, you know, to relax. And honestly, I think 2 weeks into that break, you know, I obviously was thinking a lot, praying a lot, you know, just trying to connect, trying to find my balance again, you know, obviously trying to tell myself that, you know, you cannot let what other people say to you determine who you are, because that's not how life works. But obviously, like I'm saying, I'm somebody who, I open up my circle very, I don't know, I would say I'm quite, I don't even want to say selfish, but I'm quite selfish with my time and my space, especially. So if I let you in like that and you know me like that, but then you have the audacity to ask me certain things, it hurts me to the core. Like if a stranger's gonna say that, trust and believe, I'm just gonna say, ah, okay. You know, I'm just gonna put it aside because when you're asking from a good place, when you're asking from this, like I'm gonna give you so many excuses because I don't know you like that. I don't know your intentions. So me being with people and knowing the intentions in my life, you know, it hurts a lot. It really does. So I just try to find my balance, and I, like I said, I realized like 2 weeks into my break that people saying this are people who are actually speaking from a point of privilege. A point of privilege in the sense that you've never struggled to find a job, you know, you've always kind of had it easy. I would say that kind of had it easy. You know, you finding a job seems to be something so easy that you think it's impossible for another person to be applying so much and not find a job. Like if I gave you my email address, password, you'd be shocked. I've registered in everything. I've had my CV be done professionally because I thought maybe that's the problem. I've applied everywhere you can think of. Even things that I know I don't qualify for, I apply for them. You know, even things that are outside of my space or where I'd like to be, where I'd like to work, I apply for them. I apply for the post as a receptionist. I apply for the post as the invigilator. I apply for the post as the finance, the audit, the admin, the this, that, like literally everything. I apply for that. You know, so it hurts me so much. I'm putting in so much effort, and you want to tell me, or you want to tell me that you don't see it. Like, come on. So yeah, that really hurt me, but I'm okay now. I've had some time to think about it. Really, I'm good. I'm okay. I was just telling you guys that, you know, if you're unemployed, if you're looking for a job, you know, sometimes getting those questions, I know, can be overwhelming, but I want you to know that you're not alone. That's literally all I'm here to do. You're not alone, you know. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be okay. One day is one day. One day is one day. Keep pushing. I am right now surviving from like the hustling and you know, I have a fully registered company, catering company. I do nails, I sell clothes, I do this and that. Ice cream, wherever I try, and the little that comes in, honestly, this and that. Obviously, this season, but I'm really doing my best. I'm trying, you know, and I'm happy for the really small circle that I have that understands and is there for me through it all. So yeah, with that being said, I don't want to speak for too long. I know I probably took too long, but yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for watching this vlog. I'm back on YouTube now. I'm gonna be posting every week, like you guys know me. I'm going back to the consistent queen, but I just wanted to ask you guys, if you guys prefer posting like Monday, Tuesday, or like later in the week, like Thursday, Friday, or maybe Sunday. Like you guys just tell me that so that I plan properly. So yeah, let me go. I'm gonna start a new vlog. So yeah, let me go.